Hi everyone, this is Joanne for Bramble Fox today. How are you? I am using the really cool May Fox box. It has the coolest stuff in it for the outdoors. I'm going to put a picture up of all the stuff that comes with it. But we have this pretty like limeish green fresh air and a little twirl that makes a heart. And then this is my favorite. It says let's go, and you can put this little car in the word out in there. So let's go out if you wanted to. These are also, you can use these standalone, but look at this tree skyline. I love that. Look, pretty, right? So I'm going to go for that one today. And I swear this Fox box was made for this picture of my great nephew kayaking. Isn't that cute with the navy? And he has this green colored kayak and the trees in the water. It's perfect, isn't it? Yeah. So I thought I would pull out Pinkfresh Studio, Simply the Best. It was like a masculine type collection, and it has all the colors that I am looking for. So I just pulled out a bunch of ephemera, and I had a couple paper scraps that I thought I would use up, and I pulled some of this ephemera. We'll see if it looks good. It had a film strip piece of ephemera in there, and I backed it with pattern paper and a tag, just would like that. And then scrap and a pocket card from the cut apart sheet. And I really want the black outline, and it says core memory right there. I thought that was kind of cute. I'm going to put my photo on there somehow. Let's think about that. And then I also I distressed the edges of everything so that those little pieces of paper lint are everywhere. This is a metal die from Altenew. It just looks like a pie chart or something to me. Isn't it cool? So I cut that on 2 different pieces of green paper, thinking I could tuck it in somewhere. Maybe it would look good. So let's get moving along here. So we'll start with the photo. And I don't know where I want this. If I want that there or if I want it like this. I'm just going to put it like tilted, just coming off a little bit on the sides so I can see that word core memory. I think I'll do it this way. ATG gun would be helpful, and I'm just going to glue right on this because I don't want my photo to stick to the background paper right now, because I'm going to do some stenciling with the super cool Bramble Fox mixed media stencil. It's one of my favorites. I thought it would be appropriate for this layout, and I'm probably going to brush that paper lint away the entire layout. So here's this. We'll put this, we'll try right there for now. Let's see. Thinking I really like this. I backed this with some green and the navy to go with his life jacket. Put a little bit of this in there, just have that peeking through some. See if we like that. And yeah, see if we like that. I don't know what I'm doing with these scraps. I'm just trying. Now let's get, let's get maybe one of these in here. I just think this metal die is super cool. It's perfect for this photo too. So try putting that in there for now. And then let's try another one. I don't know if I want them on the same side or if I want to put them on different sides. I don't know. Let's see. That's looking kind of cool. Maybe in a little bit more so it just doesn't take away too much from the photo. I'm going to cover it up a little bit, I think. But that's okay. I was thinking about maybe putting this on here. It says stay wild, adventurous spirit, like that. I might cover that up though with something else though. Okay, that looks really cute. I'm liking the black. And then this scrap is pretty. It's got leaves like you're outside. Maybe I will put this down here only because, and then if I do that, I'm going to want this underneath that. Only because I'm thinking if I put really dark paper, that green will pop really cool. So let's try that. And then put this back. I think I'm going to put some stuff up on foam too. And then that's too much, I think. So let's just do a little bit here. Or I can have it coming this way. And then we'll say, let's go. Like this, maybe. I don't want this too far down, so push this up just a little bit. And then that there. So cool. Bring this down some. Fresh air up here. That really pops. It's so pretty. Loving this color. This, it's a piece of ephemera. It says, "This never gets old," with an arrow. Bringing it over here maybe for some more lighter color into the layout. I'm not so sure about this yet. I'll put this to the side. Maybe I'll use that. And then I have more circle things. This is a chipboard flare, and this is a puffy flare or puffy circle. I was thinking about maybe putting 3 circles together over here, because there's circles here and this is a circle. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do that. Maybe something like that. It doesn't look too awesome right now, but maybe it will when I get there. Piece of ephemera, Monday through Sunday. Tuck that in there, build that out a little bit more. This is a piece of ephemera. It says 1 through 31. So we'll put this in here. Maybe I'll even cut that in half, and then I can use the 1 through, what must be 15 or so. It's 15, 16 on something else. And this is a ticket that says documented. Sort of like that. Let's do this. And tweezers so I can hover and it doesn't stick to my hand. Yeah, that's cute. All right. I also have a piece of puffy that's the triangle. It says outdoorsy with some trees. I want to see what that looks like popped up on foam too. Yeah, that does look good. So then what I'm going to do is take these really cool stencils from Bramble Fox. They're mixed media stencils. And I'm going to, I don't have a lime green ink. I wish I did, because I would totally use it on this. That would look really cool. If you have a lime green ink, try that. So I have Black Soot and Rustic Wilderness, which this will go with that, and this will go with the black pieces. So I'm just going to use some stuff. This has long ones and splatters, and this has lots of different splatters. So I'm going to speed this up because I don't want it to take too awful long. And yeah, and then I'll think about where I want to put these things as I go along, okay? just going to tuck this right in here. How cool is that? And then let's go. I'm just wondering where I should put it. I think it looks really cool that way too. Maybe I can put something there. I think I like that better than this. Yep, I do. Okay, so let's put this one down. And like that. So we'll go like this. This might also look really cool with a frame or some pattern paper, like cut in on the sides too. I might do that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look at it when I'm all done here and see what I think. Okay, so I want the arrow pointing towards him. Just put it on the photo a little bit. I could use foam square right there. Oh, there's one stuck to my finger, so might as well use that. Okay, I'm just gonna slide it underneath there. I press and then pull because that way it won't stick to the tweezers. I'll put some glue on top here just to make sure. Okay, I like that. It says one with nature. And there's a lot of free space in this photo. I know it's really cool with the scenery and stuff, but it's got room for that on there. So put that there, and let's see if we can get this one to peek up because it's black and it'll bring in some more black into the layout. I don't know. Why not, right? They're so big, so I'm going to tuck it a little bit so it's just not so big. And then we'll use, I think I would do better with my nails, this, and then a tiny light green one. Okay, I am all done. I found a little chipboard camera while I was looking for something to go there. The only thing I found was some hearts in this beautiful lime green color, but I don't really think that this is about hearts, so I'll save that for something else. Here's the 2 pieces of paper on the side. I definitely think that it needed that. I hope you guys like that. I'll bring it in close. Again, I am not perfect in stenciling, and it doesn't have to be, so it's okay. Let me show you that Let's Go up close. Is that not the coolest? I really love that. It's so awesome. So I'll link the stencils below and the Fox Box, and you can get the Fox Box Plus, which also comes with a stencil and paper snips every month as well. I will put close-ups at the end and link everything in the description box for you. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a good day. Bye.